stroke ground, Clipper 107 heavy, stand 244, ready to push.
Last station, call sign very slowly, please.
Yes, sir. It's Papa Alpha Alpha, but it's Clipper 107.
Papa Alpha Alpha 107, hello, I was just locating where you was. There's an A320 taxiing behind you right to left. Once you pass, push down approved base south.
Okay, we'll want the A320 pass, and then we'll push facing south for Clipper 107 heavy.
Speedbird 227, can you just confirm that there's a company 777 stopped in front of me?
Speedbird 192, you're on frequency.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Speedbird 227, I'm just going to just try and take him on the frequency, stand by. Speedbird 192, monitor tower 118.5.
Tower on 118.5, Speedbird 192.
Eastbound Grand, Stewart 227 Bravo for British taxi. Speedbird 227 requesting permission to drive through company aircraft.
Stand by, still line. All stations, I will call you. Hotel Charlie Foxtrot, monitor tower 118.5.
Monitor tower 118.5, Hotel Charlie Foxtrot, okay.
Good day, Speedbird 295, monitor tower 118.5.
Monitor 118.5, Speedbird 295. Third ground American 87, information echo stand 335.
American 87, good afternoon. Stars approved. Once the company 777 passes behind you right to left.
Roger, stud approved after the company 777 American 87.
Speaker ground 299 Lima ready for taxi. Civic 99 Lima right Bravo right Lima hold Lima 1. Right Bravo right Lima hold Lima 1 Civic 99 Lima.
Ground Speedbird 223 ready for pushing start.
So ground, this is good 227 Bravo for this taxi.
These are Grand American 39 Heavy, in 336 with your weather request. American 49, watch your whole position.
Ground Speedbird 223.
Stand by please, you're all calling at once. Just flagging of a pilot read back, and then you can speak. Speedbird 227 Bravo, you ready for taxi?
Yeah, I am, sorry.
Thank you. Left echo, hold echo 1.
That's Echo Hold Echo 1 to 227 Bravo.
American 49, after Applebee's Airway 747 passes behind you left to right, stand 336, pushing stance approved, face west. Alright, after the 747 pass, Pushing for the approval for East West, American, British and Heavy.
Ground 1
Stand by. Can all the stations that are requesting pushing start, please type in the text, please.
Heathrow ground, hello.
Heathrow ground.
209
Good afternoon.
Guys, please, it's very simple. If you are requesting push start, place your call sign in text, please.
Heathrow ground, good afternoon. German cargo 256 and 605 request taxi.
German cargo 256, hello, scan 607, pushing start to cruise base east.
Negative. We actually loaded the aircraft in the wrong direction and we actually ready to taxi.
Okay, that's right, Sierra, hold Nessie, November Echo, Sierra, Sierra Yankee.
American 107 request taxi.
Stand by. German cargo 256, taxi by Sierra, hold at Nessie.
Roger. Taxi via Sierra and hold at German cargo 256.
Thank you. Delta
Heathrow
3
bound.
is shorted is on Alpha, shorted Delta for the taxi. Delta 318, hello, continue via Alpha, hold at Lowman. Okay, continue Alpha, hold at Lowman for Delta 3.
Heathrow ground, the 209 is from 340 ready pushing start.
Speedbird 209, good morning, push gag approved face south.
Start free face south for the 209.
Heathrow ground, Clipper 107
Good
heavy, we're
190
ready
there,
to
we're on.
taxi.
Nope.
Call sign for taxi, please.
Clipper 107 heavy.
Clipper 107 Lima, hold Lima 1.
Lima, hold Lima 1, Clipper 107 heavy.
Speedbird,
Speedbird 190
Speedbird 9.
there, we're on ground.
Roger, I will call you back. Speedbird 99 Lima, straight ahead, hold Nevis. Monitor tower, 118.5.
Straight ahead, hold Nevis 11852 is no limit. Cheers, right?
Cheers, bye.
American 107 request taxi.
American 107 Golf, left Echo, hold Echo 1.
Taxi via Golf, left Echo and hold Echo 1, American 107.
Speedbird 440. Stand by, please. Speedbird 440, first right, first left Alpha, hold at Lowman. Speedbird 440, you on frequency?
Ground Hotel 5 hours for Charlie Foxtrot, Sierra 3.
Hotel Charlie Foxtrot, what's your hold position?
Ground American.
Stand by, Speedbird 227, monitor tower, 118.5.
Well, there's Tower 118.5, Speedbird 227, thank you very much. Have a good day.
No problem. You too, sir. Clipper 107, monitor tower, 118.5.
Clipper 107, 185, thanks.
Delta 318, monitor tower, 118.5.
Monitor 118.5, Delta 318.
Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 192, line of control 119.775, bye-bye.
London Control 119.77, goodbye. Speedbird 192.
Speedbird 227 Heathrow, good morning. Taxi straight ahead, link 28, hold at November Bravo 1, giving way to the company 777, version 747. Speedbird 227, good morning. Straight ahead, hold at November Bravo 1. Straight ahead, hold November Bravo 1, giving way to the company 747, speedbird 27 heavy, thank you. It's confirmed that's not the 74 currently on your left hand side. That's the one that's currently at the holding point. Speedbird 227, don't see a 747 on the left hand side, but we do see one up ahead though.
I think he's talking about me.
Okay, right, it seems like neither of you are moving. Clipper, actually, Clipper 227, disregard, just continue straight ahead now to November Bravo 1, expedite, it's holding up the aircraft now. Thank you. Break, Clipper 107, Heathrow, hello. Taxi, second left onto Alpha and hold at November Bravo 2 Echo.
Second left and hold it, November Bravo 2 Echo for Clipper 107 Heavy.
There's a 227, number 1, clear for takeoff 27 left, surface wind calm. Just take off from the 27 left, speedbird 227 heavy, thank you very much. Delta 318, good afternoon, straight ahead, hold on, November Bravo 2 Echo.
So the hand readable for Delta 318.
Delta 318, good morning, taxi straight ahead, hold at November Bravo 2 Echo.
Okay, straight ahead to November Bravo 2 Echo, Delta 318.
Speedbird 207 Bravo, disregard.
Oh, Heathrow Tower, very good evening. German Ground 256, hold SC.
German Cargo 256 Heathrow, hello, straight ahead, hold at Sierra 1.
Roger, straight ahead, Sierra 1, questions?
Let's go to down fast. Must be 295, stand by, brake through the 99 Lima behind departing company aircraft, line up 27 left behind.
As the departing A320 company will line up behind, do that 99 Lima.
So we had 295, line control 119, session 134, that's 125.
124, 125, speedbird 295, hello.
I'm busy. Level 107 behind departing British Airways 777, section British Airways 747, line up runway 27 left behind.
Line up and wait behind the Speedbird 74, Clipper 107 Heavy.
Got it. Through the 99 Lima split takeoff 27 left surface wind calm.
Please take off 27 left through the 99 Lima.
German Cargo 256 behind it, departing Pan Am 747 on the opposite side via Sierra 1, line up runway 27 left behind.
Roger, we're behind the departing South Air and Government.
So the 207 Bravo is there.
Kilo 227 Heavy, airborne passing 3000.
Okay. 227, thank you very much. Once I'm under control on 134.125, goodbye.
Run control 134.125. Thanks very much for your service. Take care.
Here's the light. Clipper 107, clear for takeoff 27 left, surface wind calm.
Clear takeoff 27 left, Clipper 107 heavy.
5318 behind the parking Lufthansa cargo, 777 line up runway 27 S line November Bravo to Whiskey.
Okay, behind the Prairie 777 will line up 27 last up to running.
Let's go.
The tower is D07 for holding London.
3007 Bravo to after taxi straight ahead and hold at November Bravo 2 Echo.
Straight ahead, hold November 2 Echo, this is in Bravo.
Car, confirm German car position on that.
The one in front is dark now, so that's fine.
Negative, we have a plan Northwest and still...
Yeah, so you're lining up behind the Pan-Am. So you're behind the Pan-Am, you're lining up. So that's fine. Where you are now is absolutely fine.
Roger.
You're departing after this Pan-Am. Thank you.
Roger, thank you. Tower 399,
hello, Scoot 62. We'll just stand by. Speed 6, correction, speed 440, hello, Scoot 6255. Sugar 99, Lima, landing control 11975, come on.
119775 to 99 right.
Alright. Don't have a T5, taxi stand by.
Let's go contact with German government first.
Don't have a T5, thank you. T7 left now, set take off, steps for car.
Wait for takeoff for German government first.
Yeah.
American 107, good morning, holding walking.
Thank you. Go fine.
American 107, for tower, hello, taxi, via Bravo, showing and for hold November Bravo 2 Echo. Bravo, Windsway, hold November Bravo 2 Echo, American 107. Sunam 107, contact London 134, that's 125 for that.
34 125 for Clipper 107 heavy, thanks.
Speed 440, keep going.
Speed T27.
Control, good afternoon to 2277, Southampton 30 departure 3000.
2277, so good afternoon, squad, I don't have now part of 80.
I don't have 80, flight level 80, let's go 2277.
2277, correct, stop time, flight level 70.
Approaching stop climb at 70 to 2277.
Good, 47 energy, send flight level 80, resume when number notes open.
There's something good for the 80, resume to open, speed for the first one, man.
Speed 60, Tango, flying flight level 150.
Follow 150, speed 60, Tango.
Speed 3275, quite heavy to control 132.6.
Well, we're airborne.
Speed 3275, reporting